A few years ago, I left my apartment building next to the Kennebec River on a cold winter morning. As I looked out at the river, partially frozen over, an icy mist hanging above it, veiling everything, I thought, I've seen this before. When I got to the museum, I made a beeline for the galleries. There it is, I thought, looking at Whistler's Chelsea and ice. That's where I've seen this wintry river before. In early January 1864, a severe cold snap hit London, and the River Thames partially froze over. Whistler lived in Chelsea with a view of the river from his studio windows. His mother recalled Whistler's enthusiasm of seeing the river iced over. Quote, "And yet during a very sharp frost of only a few days, ice was passing, and we looked out upon the Thames. He could not resist painting while I was shivering at the open window 2 sketches. One of those sketches Whistler later finished as Chelsea and Ice." According to Whistler's mother, the winter in England that year was penetrating and gloomy. Whistler captures both sentiments in Chelsea and Ice. The gray and white color scheme give the painting a feeling of that cold and gloom. Barren trees line the riverbank, and a passenger steamboat navigates the ice. In the distance is a gray solid mass of factories along the Battersea shore, underscoring the bleak, frigid conditions. In the foreground, pedestrians stop on the Chelsea side of the river to admire the spectacle of a partially frozen Thames. Rivers seem to take on different personalities depending on the season. A river might be lazy in the summer, lively in the spring, and contemplative in the fall. What word comes to your mind to describe a wintry river?